Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe. The 2025 Kia K4 is the successor to the Kia Forte, but it also fills in as the most affordable vehicle in the lineup after Kia discontinued the subcompact Rio in 2023. Kia is getting ready to start building production models in Mexico, and the K4 will go on sale in the third quarter. It will be offered as a swoopy sedan initially, but we saw a hatchback version this year at the 2024 New York Auto Show, and fully expect it to be added to the lineup. It might not happen until the 2026 model year, we are told. The emphasis was to get the sedan, a more popular body style globally, out the door first, says Young Kim, Kia Senior Product Strategy Manager. For starters, the K4 is bigger than the outgoing Forte, and Kia says it will be the biggest kit in its class. It switches to the K3 platform, adds multi-link suspension to the top trims, and its new body is as wide as some mid-size sedans. There is also plenty of headroom and more legroom in the second row. Pricing will be announced closer to the on-sale date. We expect it to start above the Forte's $21,145 starting price. The K4 continues the Kia tradition of providing a lot of features and value for a competitive price. Thanks for watching video.